Alright, I got this box from Arty1FB. Super excited. I've been waiting for this for a little bit. Oh, cool. Palette. Got a couple of these palettes. 3 of them, actually. Holy crap. Got this trash can. He sent me pictures of this. I'm pretty psyched. Ooh, it's all full of trash. Oh, this all rolled up and stuff. There's like little newspaper. Pizza box. Little bag of various trashes. The ramen noodle box in there. Yeah. Bunch more newspaper. Hillary Clinton adopts an alien baby. That's pretty awesome. Little trash bag. Dude, this is sick. Alright, put all that back in there. We'll probably organize that somewhat later. Super realistic. Look at all the stickers on there. InfoWars. Bat Boy. Oh, that's so cool. I love this. Alright. Oh, ramen noodle. Dropped out of there. Look how realistic that is. That's amazing. That has like a little piece of plastic attached to it. That's pretty awesome.
A colloquial nomad known as a roamer. Such a potent aroma. Hoping the ocean cloaks the malodorous odor. The symposium's over, so you ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Look at that. That is beautiful.
Yo, you got no shine, no skill, and no cosign. The
Sasquatch was here. Got the Encompass logo on it. Encompass here. Oh, whoa, hold up. It's full of stuff. Got boxes, trash bags, pizza boxes in here, little crate. Holy crap, dude. Somebody hooked it up. This is the coolest. I'm just gonna dump this out real quick. Ooh, I guess that's why they call it a dumpster, right?
And we tripping like after 3 hits of gelatinous acid, but this is reality. Is it though? Get with the facts and react to them quick. Quit laughing and kidding. Be back in a minute. We planning to finish the business.
I definitely thought it was going to be heavier, but I don't mind. It's really cool. This is really amazing. It's super realistic. That's my name. Your friend from that one time. I love this. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Thanks so much to Arty1FB. You were the coolest. You were something else, man. This is really amazing. And I didn't expect these palettes. These are awesome. This is just like one of the coolest things. You basically just sent me a spot, dude.
I'm a loser. I don't have scandalous rumors. But I certainly will. Terminally ill raps, cancerous tumor, handle your stress. Before it handles you, true manic depression. I can snap any second. I feel like a rubber band being stretched. Eat a couple ambient, have me a slumber. Ask me a question, the answer will come from above like the touch of a hand came to Adam. I am what I am, and I done what I done. Damn. Who knew truth could blossom, bloom, and wither just like a rose do? You do you, and I'ma do whatever they said I wasn't supposed to.